Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you my 4th of July manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Revel Nail, and this is their limited 4th of July collection. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Independence, and this is a chunky glitter mix. Next is in the shade United, and again this is a chunky glitter mix. Next is in the shade Justice, and this is a beautiful blue with some glitter specks. And lastly, the shade Betsy, and this is a bright red. For the liquids, I will be using my Revel Nail Pro Base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and this will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need this if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my Pro Base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be using the shade Justice on my pointy, pinky, and thumb, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with the 3rd coat of Justice, I move on to the next shade, which is Betsy, and I will be applying this on my ring nail. And again, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So after the 3rd coat of Betsy, I decided to sprinkle a little bit of Independence on top of Betsy. So I have here a small eyeshadow brush and I use it to sprinkle the chunky glitter. So once I'm finished with my ring nail, I move on to the last shade, which is Independence, and I will be applying 1 coat of this on my middle nail. So then once I'm finished with all the colors, I move on to my clear powder to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this before you apply your activator. Otherwise, you will end up filing away all the beautiful design on your nails. So for me, it's very important that I clear encapsulate my nails. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust, and then I use alcohol spray to clean up my nails. You can also wash your hands if you want to. So then next I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I applied 2 coats of this on all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.